Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I solve another question from CSIR Net, November 2020 from General Aptitude. In a class there is one pencil for every two students. So this is important. One pencil for every two students, one eraser for every three students, and one ruler for every four students. So if the total number of these stationery items required is 65, so we have to find how many students are present in the class. One pencil for every two, one eraser for every three, one ruler for every four. So there is stationery 65 stationery, which includes pencil, eraser, ruler. So we have to found the number of students present in the class. Let us assume that x be the number of students present in the class. One pencil for every two. This means two students get one pencil. So for x students, so we need x by 2 pencil. Two students, one pencil, so one student will get 1 by 2 pencil, that is x students get x by 2 pencils. Similarly, 3 students, one eraser, that is one eraser for every 3 students. So therefore for x students we need x by 3 erasers. Similarly, one ruler for every 4 students. 4 students, one ruler. So therefore x students, for x students we need x by 4 ruler. So that is x by 2 pencil we need, x by 3 eraser we need, x by 4 ruler we need for x number of students, so that these conditions are satisfied. So therefore it is given that 65 stationery is required to distribute in such a way. So therefore if we add this x by 2, x by 3, x by 4, it should be 65. So from that we will find the value of x. So just add x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 4 equal to 65. So by calculating this, we will get this is 12. Therefore this will 6x, this will 4x, and this will 3x. That is 10, 13x by 12 equal to 65. Okay? So from this, we will get x equal to 65 into 12 divided by 13. So 5 into 13, 65. Therefore 5 into 12, that is 60. So x equal to 60. So we assume that x is total number of students in the class. So therefore 60 should be correct answer. So option B is correct. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will cover more questions from General Aptitude of CSIR Net exam.